Good morning, students. Today, in this video lecture, I am going to discuss the last type of electron displacement in a covalent bond, that is your electromagnetic effect. So let us write, first topic is electromagnetic effect. This electromagnetic effect, in short, it is known as your simply E effect. You know, I have already discussed inductive effect, which in short known as your I effect, mesomeric effect, or your resonance effect, that is your M effect or R effect. The third is your hyperconjugative effect or called hyperconjugation, and this is the fourth, that is your electromagnetic effect. Now the first point is, what is electromagnetic effect? It is a temporary effect. It is a temporary effect. It takes place in the organic compound. It takes place in the organic compound containing multiple bond, that is double bond or a triple bond. Double bond or a triple bond. It takes place in the presence of an attacking reagent. In the presence of an attacking reagent. So it is your temporary effect. It takes place in the organic compound which has a multiple bond. For example, if there is multiple bond, that is your between carbon and carbon. There is multiple bond between your carbon and oxygen. So in these compounds, there will be your electromagnetic shift, or you can say your electromagnetic effect. So it occurs in the compound containing your multiple bond, that is your either double bond or triple bond, and it takes place in the presence of your attacking reagent. The effect is anal. The effect is anal as soon as the reagent gets removed. It means if you remove the reagent, if you remove the attacking reagent, then this effect will not operate. It will be reversed back to your original place. So that's why it is your temporary effect. Now let us see actually what is your electromagnetic effect. So let us define your electromeric effect. It is defined as the complete transfer of shared pair. It is defined as the complete transfer of shared pair of pi electrons. Shared pair of pi electrons to one of the atoms. So let us see the definition, which is very important. It is defined as the complete transfer of shared pair of pi electron to one of the atoms bounded by the double bond. Bounded by the double bond. Usually your shift is towards, the shift is towards the more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom. As I have already discussed, that it is a temporary effect and it occurs only in the presence of an attacking reagent. As soon as you remove the reagent, the effect will be nullified. Now this E effect, it is of two types, like inductive effect or like your mesomeric effect. It is of two types. One is called plus E effect, that is positive electromeric effect, and another is your minus E effect, that is your negative electromeric effect. So let us see basically what is your plus E effect and what is your minus E effect. Now, in case of plus E effect, that is, in this effect, the shared pair of pi electron, is transferred to that atom, to which the reagent means attacking reagent, gets attached. Now let us see the example. The example is addition of electrophile to an alkene. So let us consider the addition of electrophile to an alkene. You know what are electrophile? Electrophiles are electron loving species. So they will attack on your negative charge center. For example, if we have a carbon-carbon double bond, that is a multiple bond, and here we are going to add H plus ion. This H plus ion is your electrophile. Now I hope you know why it is your electrophile, because it is your positively charged. Now due to plus E effect, suppose this electron pair, this is sigma bond and this is your pi bond in double bond, one is sigma, another is pi. So the shared pair of pi electron, if it shifts towards this carbon, so naturally this carbon has a negative charge and this carbon has a positive charge. So what will happen, this positive charge H plus, this will attach on this carbon and then it will form positive charge and this will be your situation. So what is this? This you can say there is formation of your carbocation. See another example. For example, if we have propene, CH3, CH double bond CH2. ये देखिए आपका ये प्रोपीन है. तो जब ये प्रोपीन है, इफ यू ऐड इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, दैट इज योर H plus. Now you know this is methyl group. This group is your methyl group, and this methyl group, you know from inductive effect, it is your plus I. Means it is electron donating. तो जब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा, means the flow of electron is towards this direction. इलेक्ट्रॉन का फ्लो किस डायरेक्शन में होगा? इस डायरेक्शन में, क्योंकि ये जो मिथाइल ग्रुप है ना आपका, ये प्लस आई ग्रुप है. इट इज योर प्लस आई नेचर. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, ऑल्दो देयर आर कार्बन, देयर आर टू कार्बन एंड बोथ हैव सेम इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो आपका इस डायरेक्शन में है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, the pi electron, the shared pair of pi electron will move to this carbon, and when it will move to this carbon, naturally you can say this H plus will come to this point, and then the form is your CH3CH, and we have single bond CH3 and there will be positive charge. So this is your propene. This will form a carbocation. Which type of carbocation? So this carbocation is your isopropyl carbocation, which is a secondary carbocation. Now let us consider the definition of plus E. भाई आपको कोई पूछे कि ये प्लस ई क्यों है, कैसे आप समझे कि इसमें प्लस ई इफेक्ट हुआ, तो आप डेफिनेशन को एक बार फिर से देखिए. इन दिस टाइप ऑफ इफेक्ट द शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ट्रांसफर्ड टू दैट एटम. यहां देखिए शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कहां ट्रांसफर हो रहा है, किस कार्बन के पास, तो इस कार्बन के पास ट्रांसफर हो रहा है. द शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ट्रांसफर्ड टू दैट एटम टू व्हिच द रिएजेंट गेट अटैच्ड. देखिए ये शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन जो आप दिखा रहे हो, ये जो आप शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन जो आप दिखा रहे हो, इस कार्बन पे ट्रांसफर हो रहा है. ऑन दिस कार्बन इट इज गोइंग टू बी ट्रांसफर्ड वेयर द अटैकिंग रिएजेंट गेट्स अटैच्ड. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ इफेक्ट इज नोन एज योर पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोमेलिक इफेक्ट और कॉल्ड प्लस ई इफेक्ट. Again, if you consider this example, आप इस एग्जाम्पल को कंसीडर करिए कि ये भाई प्लस आई है तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है कार्बन चेन में, तो इस साइड इलेक्ट्रॉन का फ्लो होगा. मींस इस कार्बन से दिस कार्बन विल बी मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. सो द पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन, इन दोनों के बीच का जो पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इसकी शिफ्टिंग जो होगी नेचुरली इट विल बी टुवर्ड्स दिस कार्बन. तो इस कार्बन के पास आपका नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा on which this reagent gets attached. So in plus C effect, the transfer of pi electron is towards that atom to which the reagent gets attached. So such a effect is known as your plus E effect, or you can say it is your positive electromagnetic effect. Now what will be your minus E effect? ठीक आप इसका अपोजिट कर दीजिए, जस्ट रिवर्स. Now let us suppose if this is your minus E effect, you just write opposite definition. In this effect, the shared pair of electron is transferred to that atom. यहाँ तक कॉमन आया, to which the reagent कॉमन आया, प्लस ही में लिखा था get attached, यहाँ पर चेंज कर दीजिए, does not कर दीजिए, to which the reagent does not get attached, does not get attached, then naturally your example will change. Your example will change. वहां आपने लिखा था एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, यहां लिखेंगे आप एग्जाम्पल इज योर एडिशन ऑफ nucleophile, because you know electrophiles are positively charged, nucleophiles are negatively charged. Addition of nucleophile to an alkene. So for example, if we have a alkene of this type of alkene, nucleophile, say for example if we have cyanide is your nucleophile, negatively charged. तो अब देखिए प्लस सी आप देखिए इधर कि प्लस सी में हमने क्या किया था, व्हाट हैपेंस इन प्लस सी में ये मेरा अल्कीन है और हमने ये रिएजेंट अटैच कराया था, पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर ट्रांसफर हुआ, रिएजेंट अटैच हुआ. सपोज यहां पे आप पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांसफर कराते हो तो reagent should not get attached to that carbon, but it will be attached on this position. Why it will be attached? Because due to shift of this pi electron, this carbon becomes negative charge and this carbon becomes your positive charge. So if it is negative charge, so this negative charge cyanide cannot attach to this point because it is in the need of your positive charge. And where is the positive charge? Positive charge is on this carbon. So this cyanide will attach and then we can write, okay, then this is your product Cn, this is single bond and this will be your negative charge. So this effect is your minus E effect, while this effect is your plus E. Now let us see another example of your minus E effect, जिसमें आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन ही नहीं होगा माइनस ई में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एडिशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल to aldehyde and ketone. Addition of nucleophile to aldehyde and ketone. ये आप पढ़ोगे क्लास 12 में in detail. Now you know aldehyde and ketone both have this type of group. They both have carbon double bond oxygen. So in this carbon double bond oxygen, your oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. तो क्या होगा, ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड है, ये पाई बॉन्ड है, कोई एक सिग्मा और दूसरा पाई होता है, that you know. Now what happens? The shared pair of pi electron. Now in this case the shared pair of pi electron will naturally shift towards oxygen. Why? Because oxygen is negatively charged. But this shifting is only possible if a reagent will attack. If there is no attack of reagent, then there will be no such shifting. So it is a temporary effect. It occurs in the presence of your attacking reagent. So for example, if we have attacking reagent, that is nucleophile, that is your cyanide. Now what will happen? Due to electromagnetic effect, that is due to minus E effect, this pi electron will shift towards oxygen, and this oxygen becomes negatively charged and this carbon becomes positively charged. So what happens? The reagent gets attached to this positively charged carbon, and then we have a product of this type. It is Cn and this is your O minus. So what happens in this effect? The shared pair of pi electron transferred to that atom to which the reagent does not get attached. ट्रांसफर हो रहा है शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन की ओर, जबकि आपका रिएजेंट अटैच हो रहा है कार्बन से, ऑक्सीजन से अटैच नहीं हो रहा है. Then such a effect is known as your minus E effect. Now, as soon as जैसे ही आप इस रिएजेंट को हटा दो, as soon as you will remove the reagent. Suppose if we are going to remove the reagent, then what will happen? There will be no such transfer of shared pair of electron. As we remove the reagent, suppose we are going to remove this cyanide, which is the attacking reagent, then there will be no transfer of shared pair of electron. That's why it is your temporary effect. Now, at last but not the least, you can compare the inductive effect, that is your I effect and your E effect in short, or you can say in brief. It is permanent effect. Inductive effect is your permanent effect, while electromagnetic effect is your temporary effect. Electromagnetic effect क्या है आपका? Temporary effect है. Second point, in this case, inductive effect के केस में no such ions are formed. No such ions are formed. कोई आयन नहीं बनेगा. In this case, ions are formed. Ions are formed. You must have seen in case of plus E, in case of plus C आपने देखा कि कार्बोकेटाइन आपका फॉर्म करेगा. In case of plus C, कार्बोकेटाइन फॉर्म किया. And similarly in case of minus C, आप देखिए कि कैसे निगेटिवली चार्ज आयन फॉर्म किया. Now, second thing, you can say the third point. Third point is your this inductive effect. No attacking reagent is required. इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट के लिए कोई अटैकिंग रिएजेंट की जरूरत नहीं. However, it occurs in the presence of attacking reagent. It occurs in the presence of your attacking reagent. In electromagnetic effect, there is complete shift of electron pair. कंप्लीट शिफ्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, मींस इसमें जो चार्ज की शिफ्टिंग हो रही है, जो चार्ज आप देख रहे हो कि जो डेवलप हो रहा है लाइक दिस, फॉर एग्जांपल इन -C this becomes negative and this becomes positive in case of your -C. So this shift is a complete shift, although the effect is temporary effect, but in this case you can say charge separation, you can say flow of charge is your partial. So your flow of charge, you can say, better to say, you can say the flow of charge, or you can say there will be partial separation of charge. There will be your partial separation of charge in case of your inductive effect. So this is a comparison between inductive effect and electromagnetic effect, or you can say this is a difference between inductive effect and electromagnetic effect. Thank you.